I've been in business about 20 plus years, selling security, access control, voice data, fiber, but really focused around the surveillance and access control. So if I was talking to another dealer specifically about Alibi Cloud VS, another dealer just like myself, same size, doing the same business, I would start, pretty early on how easy this is for my entry-level technician to install. This is dollars on the back end from the RMR. It's dollars on the front end of not rolling a truck. It's made me, I don't want to say successful, but I mean, it's brought a lot of success to my company, and it's coming from multiple angles. A lot of products, maybe I can save some money on it and I sell it. And it just there's the one benefit. With the VS, it kind of brings me multiple benefits from multiple areas. I'm making money over here, I'm saving money over here. I'm able to sleep at night going, if my customer's building burnt down today, they would potentially have everything that they need video-wise up to the minute of whatever incident happened that they're gonna be able to go and get. And they're not gonna be screaming at me, they're gonna be thanking me. And we may be talking about life safety. It could be very, very important. The last thing we want is a customer to say, hey, my hard drive failed last night and the neighbor got attacked by a dog. With Alibi Cloud VS, I can feel very confident that, it's there. And even if the internet was down, it's recording to the SD card, so it's like, you put redundancy after redundancy, so I feel confident that is a solid solution to sell, and that's why I sell it. So.